I have a question for you today. Are you afraid of AI? I know a lot of people are, and it's really kind of amazing because AI is just a tool. Everybody says, well, AI is going to replace all these jobs, and there's certain jobs it might replace. I mean, redundant number crunching is something that I don't know anybody that really likes it. Accountants might, but it's not something I do every day. But the fact of the matter is, AI is something that you use to do things for you. It's like a machine. We found machines to make things for us that, yeah, it might have cost somebody a job, but it made another job in another area. And the thing is, if you're in a position that could be threatened by AI, then there's things that you need to be doing to insulate you from that. One of the things that amazes me is there's people that'll say, well, I think AI is going to take my job. Okay, well, what are you doing about it? Oftentimes we find that the tools that are there for us, we're not using. So if you're scared AI is going to take your job, do you know anything about AI? Do you know how it would take your job? Do you know what possibilities there is for it being integrated into your job? Because the fact of the matter is, if you have a position that's threatened by AI, you probably should know it. You should probably learn it, because you see, there's going to be people that are going to oversee that AI once it takes your job, if that's what it's going to do. So knowing what your job is, knowing what things are right and what things are wrong in the production in your job, then wouldn't it be just a natural sequence for you to be the person over the AI to make sure that it's doing the job correctly and its output is what it's supposed to be? So how can you do that? Well, learn AI. There's courses out there to learn AI. You can self-teach yourself a lot of AI. I play with AI just trying to learn it, even though in what I'm doing right now, it doesn't really play a role. But the thing is, AI will build itself in some respects. You can tell it to code itself into another tool that you might want or need. You can use AI in a lot of different ways, and I'm just learning some of this myself, is that you can use AI to pre-scan your emails so that you can sort out some of that trash you don't really need, or summarize some of the things that you spend way too much time in reading. But there's just so much available that AI can do. And most people that say they're scared AI is going to take their job haven't done anything themselves to try and understand what AI is. And those are the things that amaze me. What could you do today if your job's threatened by AI? Well, first, learn it. Learn what AI is, what it does, how it does it, and maybe how you could learn it to be the one that oversees what it does when it runs your job. Okay, so there's one. The other thing is you can learn AI and make yourself maybe more valuable in a sense of you could work in other areas of the company or organization that you're in and deliver to them things that they can't get currently because you know AI and nobody else does. The funny thing about it is a lot of business owners, small business owners, don't understand AI themselves. So if you can provide help in that area, if you're in a smaller business, then you're going to provide for them something that they don't have in the first place. So learn AI. Make yourself more valuable at the things that you can do with AI and the things that you can offer with AI. because the world is constantly changing. You know, the person that built that car from start to finish back in the early car days was worried about Henry Ford. Because what did he do? He took portions of how you built that car and gave them to different people. And they were able to expedite the smaller thing that they did, do it repetitively quickly, and build that car at a faster pace going down that assembly line. AI is not a threat if you understand what it offers you. It offers you an opportunity to advance in ways that you didn't have before. As I said before, most people don't understand AI. So if you get to the point that you understand it, know how to make it work for you, then you've become more valuable to your employer. You've become more valuable to the marketplace, because the people that don't understand it need people like you to either operate it in positions that they're trying to implement it, or help them implement solutions to problems that it will solve for them. So quit worrying about AI. Learn AI. Look at how it can be something that you'll use to grow your future. Here at Be More, Get More, we believe that you have to be more, you have to learn more, you have to become more to get more. So if you want security in your position, or you want to move up, as most of the people we work with do, then you want to learn AI. You don't want to be threatened by it. You want it to be a tool in your toolbox that you can pull out when you need it. That people come to you and say, how do we do this? Or explain this to me. And you become the go-to person. There's so much information online, and I realize some of you may not like that, but it's not that hard. Go watch some YouTube videos. It's not really a big deal. If you want to research it, it used to be called Notebook LM. It's Google Notebook or something like that now, where you can ask in that software, and it will use AI to bring about numerous, and usually like 10 different major articles or data points for the information you're looking for, and it will compile all that for you. How can it get much easier than that? And then you can ask it to summarize, give you the keynotes, the bullet points. There's so much out there to help you today. Don't sit back and let it pass you all by when you say you want more. If this helped you in any way, if you enjoyed it, feel free to hit the like button below, subscribe for the next one, and we'll keep trying to give you some information that will help you be more so you can get more. Thanks for watching.